kids! I'm Zuno. Welcome to Zuno Park. Today we will learn numbers together. Oh no, the numbers are gone. Can you help me find them? Look, number 1. 1 apple. Can you say 1? Here is number 2. 2 balloons. Let's say 2. Wow, number 3. 3 bright stars. Say 3 with me. Number 4 is here. 4 crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quack, quack. Number 5. 5 little ducks. Let's count them together. More numbers are coming. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, kids. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! We found all the numbers! You did an amazing job! Bye, kids! See you soon!